So this is the Venus flytrap. Very interesting plant material. Likes very bright light. Constantly wet, should be almost sitting in water like these are right now. And then very high humidity. So it should be growing continuously in a terrarium or a dome on top to keep that humidity up. And then regularly fed with some insects like ants or flies to feed the plant, but doesn't need it very often. And if you can't get that, even like one slow release pellet once a year in the growing time of year in spring is more than enough fertilizer to get it going to produce these beautiful fly traps. And then in the winter time, this will go dormant, reduce its size and go dormant for a few months, and then come back out when the sun comes back around again in the spring, so that it's quite normal. But very interesting plant material, especially for kids or adults alike for that matter.